everybody from Sandokan. I'm going to show you how to sharp my little chainsaw quick. No, not like this. No. So what I did, I broke a piece off from the file. Now I'm going to show you. You see how bad this one is. Now what I did, I put them on the front of the drill and voila. And it's really sharp and fast. Wow. Hope you like the video. Put a like and share. Thank you.